Do you want to protect your files or folders with a password? Today, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily using WinRAR. First, download and install WinRAR if you don't have it yet. The good news is, WinRAR is free to use even after the trial period, so you can secure your files without paying. Once installed, locate the file or folder you want to protect. It can be documents, photos, videos, or any important files. In my case, I have a folder that contains both documents and videos. Right-click on your file or folder and then click Add to Archive. A WinRAR window will open. Here, you can rename your archive and choose the format, like RAR or ZIP. Next, click the Set Password button. Enter the password you want and type it again to confirm. For extra protection, check the Encrypt File Names option. This will hide the contents of your files inside the archive. Click OK, and then OK again to create your password-protected archive. Now you have a secure, password-protected archive. You can delete the original folder if you want. To test it, try opening the archive and extracting the files. You'll be asked for your password before you can access anything. That means your files are now safe and secure. And that's it. You've successfully added a password to your files or folders using WinRAR. Remember, WinRAR is free to use, so protecting your files doesn't cost a thing. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.